You're asking why that P0456 check engine light is still on, even after you replaced the gas cap. That's because the new cap you installed is almost certainly the problem, or it's not sealing correctly against the filler neck. That specific code, P0456, signals a very small leak in your fuel vapor system, sometimes from a hole as tiny as 0.02 of an inch. Your car has a system designed to trap fuel vapors and burn them in the engine, and to work, it has to be completely airtight. It pulls a slight vacuum on the fuel tank to test itself. If any air seeps in, that vacuum is lost, and the computer triggers the code. Aftermarket gas caps are a frequent cause. Their threads might not be an exact match, or more often, they use the wrong type of seal. A cheap cap might just have a simple flat rubber washer, but your vehicle's factory cap likely requires a specially shaped seal made from a specific fuel-resistant material. That seal is engineered to create a perfect, airtight fit when it runs its self-test. A flat washer just won't cut it. Beyond the cap itself, the metal rim of the filler neck can also be the culprit. Over years of fill-ups, tiny bits of rust or grit can build up right where the cap needs to seal, preventing even a good cap from sitting flush. That's all it takes. So, here's how to fix this for good. First, get that filler neck perfectly clean. Use a mild abrasive, like a Scotch-Brite pad, and gently scrub the entire rim where the gas cap makes contact. You're not trying to grind off metal, you're just removing any hidden grit or fine corrosion that could break the seal. Wipe it down until the metal surface feels completely smooth and looks shiny. Next, install a genuine factory gas cap from the manufacturer. Don't waste time with another aftermarket part. They often fail because of tiny differences in molding and seal material. Get the exact part for your vehicle from a dealer. When you put the new factory cap on, twist it until you hear at least 3 distinct clicks. Those clicks confirm the cap is torqued correctly and the seal is firmly compressed. Once the new cap is on and clicked tight, you just have to drive. The computer won't clear the light instantly. It needs to run its diagnostic test, which only happens under specific conditions, usually when your fuel tank is between 15 and 85% full. The test often runs after the car has sat overnight during the first drive of the day. It might take a day or two of normal driving before the system retests and the light goes off. If you skip cleaning the neck or use another cheap cap, that light will stay on, which can cause you to fail an emissions inspection. If you've done all this and the P0456 code comes back after a few days, the leak is somewhere else. The next places to check are the small rubber hoses near the charcoal canister, which can crack with age, or the purge valve itself, which can get stuck slightly open. To find a leak that small, a shop uses a low-pressure 1 pound per square inch smoke test to see exactly where it's coming from. But always start with the cap and a clean filler neck. That's the fix most of the time.